Use benefits to showcase exclusive offers from local partners. To start, navigate to Location Settings, Service, and enable the Benefits switch. Once active, you will see the Benefits page appear in your left-hand resource panel. Create benefit categories to group your offers by type, such as gym, restaurants, or hotels. Organize these categories by dragging them up or down to rearrange their order if needed. Use the Edit option to keep category name current or Delete to permanently remove outdated ones. Once categories are set, go back to the app and navigate to the Benefits page to begin adding your offers. Press Add Benefit and configure essential details, including a cover photo, title, and subtitle, to clearly feature the value they receive. The subtitle will appear below its title. In the description, add specific information about your local partner and the offer details. Assign the benefit to a category and decide if it should be featured at the top of the page. Keep the application switch enabled to let customers apply for a benefit. If disabled, the benefit will be available for preview only. Set the application allowance. Select Unlimited if users can apply for this benefit multiple times. Select Once if they're allowed to apply only once. Choose a label for the Call to Action button. This is what your customers will click when applying for a benefit. Configure a confirmation email if you want to send automated customized messages to customers after they submitted an application. This is the perfect place to include a promo code or specific instructions on how to redeem the offer at a partner store. Set the visibility to manage whether administrators, members, or the public can view the item. For the best engagement, we recommend setting visibility to members only. This ensures your rewards remain an exclusive perk of your community. Click Create to save your changes. To streamline the process, you can ask Lem AI to create the benefit for you. It's the perfect shortcut if you have the Lem AI enabled. If you need to modify existing items, click Edit and make your changes. If you no longer offer the benefit, select the Delete option. Use the Promote feature to create a feed post and attract more customer attention to the offer. Once you complete the setup, your customers can begin discovering and claiming their perks. Customers explore benefits by navigating to the Benefits page. They select a desired benefit and press Apply or a different button you configured during the setup. Users can type additional details or questions in the text field before pressing Submit the application. To access the application, they simply go to the Account Benefit Applications page. If you have the confirmation email configured, users will immediately receive it. To track requests, open the Applications panel within the Benefits module. Use filters to find specific entries by category or applicant name. Click the application to view details and open the user profile to start a chat. Provide customers with all the necessary information on how to redeem their offer. It's important to ensure absolute clarity. To receive instant alerts for new submissions, configure app notifications on the Account Notifications page. If needed, enable the email switch to get support benefit applications and other to your email. For a broader overview of performance, open the Analytics page and choose the dedicated dashboard. Select the desired range and period, and check the number of applications to evaluate your benefits activity. To export a full application history for any period, create a custom benefit applications report and select your preferred dates. Export all data or filter by specific benefit. This helps you identify popular categories and plan future customer perks and add more offers from high-performing categories.